All right, guys. Assembly a course on percent mo check akra. Olosho is being I high tech e Ghana. Olosho, aka near Ghana for your friend Ashawo no. And now I was just on my expedition moment. Okay, I was on the expedition moment trying to undercover something small with Olosho in Ghana. How is becoming like high tech? How people are now putting up certain ways to get people involved into it. Now, the question I ask here is who to be blamed for Nigerians are dodo omo abegu Ghana nkwala a ewo mu dodo abebu Ghana any nkesiefo mo ewo mu big ones ewo mu they've turned Ghana now into big time Olosho where they have rooms and they have other places they are doing their own thing. Ebusia meji baako edi achire na I will explain to you guys during my undercover what I found, and it's unbelievable. These guys are coming up with so many ways of doing Olosho in Ghana, and it's about time we do something about it. We'll be right back with some Olosho stuff that we found, and after that we just come and end it with the peaceful work that is coming on in Ghana.
We'll be right back.
Guys, I've actually opened a WhatsApp group. I've actually opened a group where a lot of you who wants to chop my pickles, a lot of you who wants to do who wants to know me, who wants to get to get to meet me. Yes, so I've opened a WhatsApp group. So the WhatsApp group, I'll post it so you guys can join in the WhatsApp group and let's get to meet each other in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so guys, if in the WhatsApp group we have a lot of beautiful ladies, just like me. We have a lot of beautiful ladies. We have a lot of beautiful, there are some handsome guys in there. You will love them. So guys, stay tuned. I told you
when is after 2 minutes you cut it? Huh? Speak loud.
My name is Ike.
From where, please?
From
Olu where? Huh?
I'm from Igbo.
Imo State.
Imo State, yes.
Olu town from Imo State.
Yes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Just listen to 1 month now.
What is your name?
My name is Ashawo Divine.
Divine.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years. My God. How long have you been in Ghana?
To the 7th of this month will make me 2 months.
2 months. You are from Imo State.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is I'm from Imo State. That was
South.
Sorry.
That was South.
Sorry. You will be fine in Jesus' name. God will take care of you, my children. What is your name, sister?
My name is Selina Danjo. I'm from Plateau State.
Oh, mommy. How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
How long have you been in Ghana?
7th of this month will make me 2 months.
Oh.
My name is Odruko Onyechukwu.
Speak now, please.
My name is Odruko Onyechukwu.
Where are you from? Imo State. How old are you?
16 years.
16 years. Stand up, let me see you.
My brother, this 1, 2, 3, they are the same mother, the same father.
3 of you are from the same mother.
The same father.
The same father. Have you spoken to your parents? Where are your phones?
This is our phone.
You're taking all your phones. Who brought you to Ghana?
guys, I've actually opened a WhatsApp group. I've actually opened a group where a lot of you who wants to chop my pickles, a lot of you who wants to do who wants to know me, who wants to get to get to meet me. Yes, so I've opened a WhatsApp group. So the WhatsApp group, I'll post it so you guys can join in the WhatsApp group and let's get to meet each other in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so guys, if in the WhatsApp group we have a lot of beautiful ladies, just like me. We have a lot of beautiful ladies. We have a lot of beautiful, there are some handsome guys in there. You will love them. So guys, stay tuned. I told you
quick one. I want you to pay attention and listen to me carefully with respect to what I'm talking about or what I'm coming to talk about. So during my search into the Olosho business in Ghana or the Ashawo business in Ghana yesterday, I happened to find this particular video, the one that I play first and the one that I play second. The first one was something that I found it just published a minute after I found it already on social media. Now, this is how these Olosho guys or the Nigerians that are in Ghana are using the internet to do the Olosho proper. Who to be blamed is the Igbo king, because we also understand that he has a business of that nature. Allegedly, that's what we heard. Say our business of that nature, he's been exploiting people and he's been doing that allegedly. Now, I was like, let me just pick the phone number of this particular lady and let me just do one or two backgrounds and see who is behind it. So I took it, and then during the conversation, I think I have to read it so you guys will know what I'm talking about. During the conversation with this lady, I sent her, "Hi, how are you doing? I'm interested in joining your WhatsApp group. What is the process?" This is a, "Hi, how are you doing? I want to join your WhatsApp group." And then she quickly came in with a message. "It is an adult private group here on WhatsApp where you can find all kinds of girls for sex trafficking or sex mate, hook up, serious relationship, friends with benefit, sex video chat, adult videos, hangout, private message session, phone sex, and so many more you can enjoy with them." Now, if you want to join this, I'm not projecting this, so let me put it on record. I am not projecting it. I am condemning it, and I'm putting the number out there. The Ghana Police Service with the authorities will take action on it. Now, what they are doing is already they are extorting, they are taking money from people. Before you join this damn group, sorry for using that, you have to pay 100 Ghana cedis up front before you are even allowed to join the so-called Olosho or Ashawo WhatsApp group, where you are being promised to see a lot of things. So my main point here, the reason why I want to bring this one up is, like I keep saying, the Ghana Police Service have to take some of these things serious, because they are using this avenue right now for money extortion. They are using it for money extortion. Tie omo you see akonya we enti emrante na omo tafra cheka from we jime no obenwa na obi akotua na ene onya ne ohwehwe no. So I sent this lady message. I'm like, "Can you show me the kind of ladies you have in stock?" Because you cannot just go to a store, you want to buy something without seeing what you are buying, and all of a sudden you just want to buy and you are buying. So I'm like, you know what? Let's show me what you have. Okay. Now listen, guys. This is where I'm coming from, and you understand why I'm saying that this lady in question, who is just using this medium and he's using a Ghanaian number, is not a Ghanaian, but it's a Nigerian. This is it. So I'm like, I have a question. I asked her, "Do you have Ghanaians and Nigerians in stock?" He said, "Both Ghana and Nigeria." That's what he said. Well, I want to be sure. That was my message. And then I move on again. I said, "At least, can I see a picture before? Because at least I want to see the people I'm dealing with. I don't want to go in and pay something and you are not getting anything." But I'm on the nutshell, I'm doing my investigation towards that. They say, if you are not sure, you can just leave respectfully. Sano Kaye. And I'm saying, "Are you a Nigerian?" Or say, "No, Ghanaian." And I'm saying, "Okay, I see." The next one again, I was just trying to make sure I see the kind of people I'm dealing with. "Let's see more pictures of your crew members." Okay, that was my message. And then I have guys from the UK who are very much interested to join to see what is going on, but they still want to see what you have. You see, "I beg, don't come here to stress me." You hear that one? "I beg, don't come here to stress me. This is purely Omo Naija. If you cannot pay to join, just leave. That's what she said. Stress? Then I said, stress? Got you. You aren't patient. And I say, aren't patient? And I say, yeah, you aren't patient. Relax, because I want to know what I'm dealing with. Then one kasabiomo anopay, and I'm say, hi, how are you doing? I'm still waiting to see the kind of people you have in stock before I drop my guy in, because they keep asking. I think I have to block you. I have to block you now. Are you even normal? That was the message that I got finally from this Olosho group of people that are on WhatsApp doing their own thing. So the number is the number that was there, and I'm believing strongly that somebody, some way, somehow will get in contact with this number and make sure they follow up, because these guys are doing this. Now they are duping people. Now they are using. So guys, in a nutshell, what I'm trying to do is say, I have other areas Olosho no Ekoso Ewa Labadi ni circle Nasifwa I'm working on, that I'm going to make sure say I bring to you guys details of what is going on. There's a place I understand in the body. Ukoho no ma ehosun. Ukoho a Nigerian phone kwa Olosho for ene eguho Ewa Labadi. Now I'm going to make an underground investigation. Make sure I bring to you guys what is going on and show it to the Ghana Police Service. Now, this is the only thing some of us can do to support what is going on. 23rd of August. Guys, come out. Let's do the peaceful walk. But what I say, subscribe and share if you enjoy what you are doing and you like what we are doing here for Mother Ghana. Ebusia, that's Sene, Ebeshia, Piao, Yako.